In this video, I'll show you how to create a membership site with WordPress. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Since WordPress doesn't include membership features by default, you'll need to install a membership plugin first. Next, go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Search for a membership plugin such as Paid Memberships Pro or MemberPress. Install and activate the plugin you want to use. After that, open the plugin setup wizard. Configure your membership pages, choose your payment gateway, and complete the basic settings. Now create your membership levels. Add a name, description, price, billing schedule if applicable, and choose which content each membership level can access. Next, create or edit your pages and posts, then use the membership plugin to restrict access so only members can view the protected content. Finally, create a test member account, sign in as that user, and verify that the correct content is available based on the membership level. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a membership site with WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.